Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beauty and this is Beauty's Eden, where we talk all things lifestyle, beauty and holistic health. So in today's video, I'll be talking to you guys about something very important, especially to the female folks. It is a struggle among some women with hormonal issues, with polycystic ovarian syndrome, with thyroid disorders, with name it, with endometriosis, fibroid, just name it. And it's tough, it's difficult amongst women, to be able to find like a lasting solution. Some even go as far as spend thousands and thousands, of naira, dollars, rands, whatever it is, your currencies, and trying to get a lasting solution, but they are not able to. In today's video, I'll quickly walk you through a natural remedy that you can take or use over a period of months to regulate your hormonal system, especially for women trying to conceive, or for, just women generally going through menstrual pain, premenopausal symptoms, women of early childbearing age, literally women of all walks of life, So I'll walk you through this very simple yet effective method of regulating your hormonal system. I hope you come with me. Stay till the end of the video. This one promises to be very educative, very educative, I promise you. But before then, guys, kindly subscribe to my channel, click on the like button, communicate with me in the comment section, just interact with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Share my videos if you find them educative, you think it might help somebody, share them, all right? Without much ado, let's get into the video. Welcome back, guys. So like you see in front of me here, I have 4 different seeds. Some of you may be familiar with these seeds and some not so much, but I'll quickly introduce you to these seeds and what they're used for. The first one is pumpkin seed. Right next to it we have flax seed. Behind them we have sunflower and sesame seeds. These seeds are used at different times of the month to regulate the hormonal system, thyroid disorders, and polycystic ovarian syndrome. These seeds help in aiding your hormonal balance in such a way that if you are a woman trying to conceive, you are able to conceive. They lower the testosterone level so that your progesterone levels can be more, and thereby making it a more comfortable environment to conceive. This process entirely is known as seed cycling or seed rotation. Pumpkin seed is high in protein, phosphorus, magnesium, zinc, iron, copper, B vitamins, vitamin K and vitamin E. It helps to protect and keep the body alkaline. And you all know that sicknesses and ailments are not able to stay in an alkaline environment. So if your system, the foods that you eat are acidic, you are susceptible to falling ill, and generally feeling unwell. But if your body and your entire system is alkaline, it is said that sicknesses are not able to thrive in an alkaline environment. So pumpkin seed, for instance, helps to keep your body alkaline, helps to fight chronic diseases. Can you imagine that? Right next to it is flaxseed. We move on to flaxseed. Flax seeds help to lower blood pressure. It is high in omega-3. It reduces inflammation. It promotes healthy bones. It is high in fiber and ligands. For some people who do have like constipation, you struggle with constipation, I strongly recommend that you use flaxseed. Especially maybe you can soak it in water, take the water or chew it and then drink a lot of water. It's high in fiber. It has what is called ligands, which help to promote digestive health. Flax seeds also help to reduce or prevent some form of breast cancer. Can you imagine that? These seeds are amazing, guys. These seeds are amazing. Next, we move to sunflower. Sunflower seeds is high in vitamin E, neutralizes free radicals. It's high in high selenium. Seleniums are known to induce DNA repair. So plants or seeds like selenium help in inducing your DNA. They help to repair some form of DNA. They are high in magnesium. They help in building strong bones. They help to lower your blood pressure. They decrease muscle tension. They help with migraine headaches, soreness, and fatigue. Guys, can you imagine this? Sesame seeds, on the other hand, is high in calcium and phosphorus, promotes bone health, high in antioxidants and magnesium, neutralizes free radicals, zinc, prevents and also eases hypertension. Guys, I like to call these seeds small but mighty. Can you imagine all the things that these seeds do? Now, I'll quickly tell you how to incorporate these seeds in your diet, right? So, with the pumpkin and the flaxseed, from the first day of your cycle, that is the day you see your period, to the 14th day of your cycle, that is if your cycle days are 28 days, all right? From the first day to the 14th day, you incorporate pumpkin and flaxseed into your diet. Blend them, incorporate them into your smoothies and your salads. This phase is known as the follicular phase. The first day you see your period to the 14th day. And then from the 14th day, you switch your seeds and move over to sunflower and sesame. You do the same thing. You incorporate sunflower and sesame seeds into your diet, your smoothies, your salads, and what have you, right? That phase is called the luteal phase. That is where your ovulation begins, right? So these plants at different times helps to balance your system in a way that you are able to, even if you are not expecting, like you are not trying for a baby, but they put your body together in such a way that you do not fall sick. Even if you have like fibroids or PCOS, they help to balance your thyroid level so you don't become more sick. Because with thyroid level, if your thyroid level continues to stay imbalanced, you may have even more chronic diseases. So this is what and how these plants could help in regulating your hormonal levels and helping you conceive. Now guys, a quick disclaimer. I am not a medical practitioner. I am not in any way a medical practitioner, but I have researched, and in my findings, I have come to know that these plants do help at least 80 to 90% of women with hormonal disorders get back on their feet, have their testimonies, have their babies. I kid you not. If you have any questions, you can mail me. I'll put my email down in the comment bar or description bar, all right? You can email me, you can send me a message on IG, and we could talk further, all right? Until I see you guys next time, keep loving, stay blessed. Bye.